With Mama as the head chef in our family, I never claim any recipe as my own. But today I'll be showing you my char siu lo mein, something I whipped up because of my deepest cravings. Mama ye sik fan, Mami daddy sik fan, ba mẹ ăn cơm. Hi, I'm Jeanette, and here at Wok and Kin I share my childhood recipes so you can reconnect with yours. Today is all about how I replicated the flavours I love to create char siu noodles. To start, you'll need to slice your char siu, also known as Cantonese barbecue pork. We get it from our local Chinese barbecue shop. They can cut it up for you, but I always bring it home because I prefer how thinly Mama slices them. Next, the omelette. Put 6 eggs in a bowl, then season them with 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Whisk everything to combine. Now heat up a pan on high heat and pour 1 tablespoon of oil in. Turn the heat down to a medium and pour about 1 cup of the egg mixture in, then swirl it to cover the entire pan's surface. Let it cook until it becomes a thin egg crepe. Then roll it into a log and slice them into strips. A full list of these ingredients can be found at wokandkin.com, where we share step-by-step instructions so you can cook this recipe at your own pace. It's now time to prepare the vegetables. We use 2 bundles of choy sum, but you can choose whichever greens you like. Mama likes to separate the greens and peel the outer layer off so it's more tender. To wash the choy sum, submerge them in cool water. Pour 2 teaspoons of salt in and mix it through. For a thorough explanation of how we wash our greens or herbs, check out our family's Goi Gung recipe. Put the greens in a colander and repeat the salted washing another 2 to 3 times. To cook the egg noodles, I use a technique my mother-in-law learned from her chef friend. Heat up a pot of water on high heat. As it's heating up, prepare a large ice bath for the noodles. Meanwhile, divide the noodles into 2 to 3 plates and spread them over the plate's surface. Heat 1 plate in the microwave for 1.5 minutes, then flip the noodles over and microwave it for another 1.5 minutes. This helps to dry out the noodle so it stays springy. When the water is boiling, pour all the heated noodles in. Remember to stir every few minutes to stop it from sticking to the pot. Let it cook for 2 minutes or until al dente. Pour the cooked noodles into a colander under running cold water. Then immediately transfer it into the ice bath to retain its spring. Now let's cook the choy sum. Heat up a pan on high heat and pour in 2 tablespoons of oil. We're using the same pan as the omelettes. Add the choy sum in and cook for 5 minutes with 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder or until just cooked. To make the sauce, combine 8 tablespoons of oyster sauce with 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder, 1 tablespoon of oil, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Stir everything until well combined, then heat up a pan on medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of oil in. Pour the sauce in to cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until the sugar has just dissolved. It's time to lower the mein. As I get the ingredients ready, I think about the times when family and friends have requested for this char siu lo mein. I make it because they love it, and it means everything to me. Put 3 handfuls of noodles into a large bowl. Pour 2 tablespoons of the sauce on top and mix it through. Then add the choy sum, egg strips, and char siu on top. Lower them in well. Now we always have fried shallots in the pantry, so I like to toss some in as well. And when we have leftover spring onions, they go in too. And there you have it, my char siu lo mein, a noodle dish that is perfect for any occasion. For a recipe you'll want in your back pocket, here are our tips for the best results. Number 1. Use a flat pan or wok to cook the omelette. This will help it spread out thinner. Number 2. Mix the sauce in just before serving. You don't want to have soggy noodles. Number 3. Serve it immediately. The longer it sits, the softer the mein will become. The best thing about calling a recipe your own is when you're about to share it with your nearest and dearest. And today, I get to share it with you. If trying out new ways of cooking is your goal, like and subscribe to our channel for more. For another party-worthy recipe, check out Dad's salted egg yolk prawns, and I'll see you in the next video.